what's difficult in this truck, because this is a diesel car. Why are you struggling so much? Tell me. Let's talk. What's the problem?
When you stop at the stop sign.
Yes, what's going on? The brakes.
The brakes, yeah, and
You should learn like
you have to put the gear 1.
Yes, you're struggling with the gears.
Yeah, I'm struggling with the gear 1.
Okay, you see these gears how they are. So yeah, now let's go. Yeah, this gear 1.
Yeah, well.
Why? Yeah, these gears are hard, man. Yo, it's easy. You don't even lift your clutch up like as like in a petrol transmission car. You see? Slowly. You see? Anyathela ngamafutha. You can switch this off. Anyathela ngamafutha, bro. Yo, when last I drove a diesel car, when I was driving that Cologne 1.4 TDI. But it's not like this truck. This is a truck. You can feel it like it's a truck. You see? So yeah, man. So could you long work, eh?
Oh, you shop right?
Yeah, it's a shopping center now. Aibo owza. We've been doing circles, bruh, for what? Like Aibo.
I see it though.
You are good, ne?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, you're supposed to be fit enough now, bro. And I won't say anything. And I'll shut up my back and watch you working, driving. You see? So yeah, guys, there's a progress here. There's a progress. Like ufunde today you do like first time driving a car. But then there's a progress. Like we yeah, there's something. You see? So yeah.
Oh, right, clutch.
No, I'm just chilling there. You see? Yeah, well, then when you're approaching, you just like braking and check if there's a car. If there's no car, you proceed. Easy as ABC. So yeah. You see? Easy. I'll see you guys on the next one. Easy. Easy. What have you been struggling with here? What have you been struggling with? You see?
Yeah. Close beter. Actually.
Phone?
Yeah.
Did you close? Close. Will you be able to take it?
Apa?
Yes. To shopping center. Why?
Still afraid.
Not the same, no.
Hmm?
Not the same. Come and take it.
That
You've been driving, bro. Tell my people to subscribe. tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe, share, and like. Dango.
Yeah, they should subscribe, like the content, comment if I'm doing something wrong to this boy. Please comment. Maybe I'm teaching him wrong how to drive or what. Please comment, guys. So yeah, we see each other on the next one. Take care.